Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a phone number field here. We are going to create a phone number field. Sometimes there is a requirement like we can create a phone number field over here and we can edit it and save it. So let's begin the tutorial how we can create a phone number and save that data, and on the same page we can go and edit that phone number also. So let's begin this tutorial what exactly it is. Okay, so we have already created customer mobile number. We have block, first of all, block for fetching the mobile number. So here I'm getting the mobile number from the customer session, get mobile number. Okay, here we have the EPC, that is in extension attribute XML. I'm just creating a mobile number field. Okay, so you can create via extension attribute, you can create via setup also. Setup install data schema. Here you can also add the mobile number field. Okay, this is module that is already we know. Setup, we have installed that data, and here I'm just adding the text field mobile underscore number. Okay, where it is used admin and customer checkout, custom account create and account edit. Customer account create and customer account edit. So here I am just using mobile number field. Okay, I have the view for the front end. Front end, we have the layout, customer account and customer edit, because these two modules, these two XMLs where we're gonna edit this. So this is the registration.html, because for registration we need the mobile number, and on the same page on the customer account edit we need this also, same customer login container account edit.html, right? So here we are calling customer mobile number dot php. So on edit we get, okay. So let's on the templates we have account edit and registration dot html. This simple mobile numbers. Okay, block get mobile number, and here just we are getting the mobile number. Mobile number is this value equal to mobile number, so it will render in edit mobile screen, it will render that mobile number from the session. On the registration what we need to create that mobile number. Okay, so here phone code is not required because I am not creating the phone code, so only the mobile number, right? So this is so count in edit screen. So let's run the commands and check. So this how we can add multiple fields, like if you want to save tax, something like that, something you need code. So you can use the account.xml and edit account.xml. So here you can add multiple of fields, whatever you can require. So you can just add and just check. Let's see. The customer is pending. Let's run this. This is done. This is done. Okay. So let's check front end. Is it coming or not? So mobile number field is there. So I'm going to create a new registration and check. Create account. So account is created. Now I'm gonna edit this account. So it should be the phone number also. See, the mobile number is there. Same thing. We can go with the backend and check. So we have the test customer. Let's look into this. So here is the mobile number field which we have. Okay. So this is how we can create a mobile number field and make it editable from the front end, back end, or edit screen of user also. So this is how we can add multiple things, like you can add, if there is first name, last name, you can add unique number, identity card, PAN number, something like this on this account or this. So let me repeat once what we have done. So main thing is the layout files. That is, we have the customer account, create and edit. So in both in these two files, you need to define a container block, like which template you are gonna use on registration.html, whatever field you are gonna use, it will use, and where you are going to use login before controller. Before login controller, you are gonna use this field. So you can have multiple fields over here, multiple blocks over here if you want. Otherwise, you can add fields in the register.html, and the same way you can do with the account edit.xml or like edit.html, and it will automatically save. You need to just create that fields in the setup field, and it will create that field and save that field. So I hope you will understand what exactly it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.